Professor McGonagall.
Кадестем, бара хали гуш мекнем да, кино и английский переводиш хотим.
Good evening, Professor Dumbledore.
Good evening, Professor Dumbledore.
Are the rumors true? Help us.
I'm afraid so, Professor.
I'm
The
afraid
good
so, Professor.
and the bad.
And the boy?
And the
Hagrid
boy.
is bringing it.
Do you think it wise to trust Hagrid with something as important as this?
Professor,
Wise.
I would trust Hagrid with my life.
Que кино и Гарри Поттера нахуй меня рангима. Good luck, Harry Potter.
Спасибо вам большое за просмотр. С вами был вот это английский. Подпишитесь на канал,
где-то
чтобы не
это.
пропустить новые ролики.
Як-то холодильник чего мы нагим? Where is my key? Here is my key. Привет, мои бебика! Как дела у вас? Засали койма? Запчастаком, шурупаком. Hello? Hi, sir. I'm outside. Hello. Oh, yes.
They didn't tell you apartment D?
No.
No.
Just only the numbers. 12066.
You found parking out front?
Yeah, there. Thank you.
I'll tell you what happened real quick.
Yep.
We had a technician come out here last month
Last month.
to replace the filter, right?
Okay.
Because the filter was stuck in there. And when he put it all together, it had run out. And this little door that goes over the filter,
Yeah.
right here, it just came off. So he didn't hook it back up. And then this just came off. He didn't even put this back on right. Everything just fell off. So what we need to do, or what I need done, is be able to hook this back up
Okay.
to the filter so that we can get the filter out. Because the way this works is when that's on over the filter over here, you know,
Yeah.
it pulls the filter out. I'm sure you probably know that, huh? It just pulls the filter out. But without this working, we can't get the filter out. But I don't know what he did, because I know he struggled when he was here. And then he just got up and left. He said, okay, I'm done. I go, everything's good? He said, yeah. So I didn't know it until yesterday when we went to change a filter.
Yeah.
And I've changed pull this off, right? But as soon as we got, my wife and I, we just went like that and we just pulled this and this just fell out. And I go, what the hell? I don't know how to hook it back up. I don't know if it's broken or what.
Let me see, because I never do that, because we are also just to replace the water filter and never broke the.
No, like I said, I've done it a bunch of times before and it's easy. And all you do is pull that out and it pulls the filter out. Then you just pull it out and replace it.
Maybe.
So I don't know what happened the last time, but like I said, I know he struggled with it because he had me pull the refrigerator out and he messed with it and then he tore it all apart. And then so I don't know.
Так, значит, надо хіба фильтр кадестем. Можно набирать систему. Еще моя гомбаром тоже находим. Короче, фильтр шаброн, инамихали. Так, значит, по-моему, сюда. Where's your filter?
We're able to attach it, huh?
Yeah.
I'm too old. I can't get down there no more. I tried, but I just can't.
Yeah.
I can't even.
Give me the panel. Yes. Let me put it on the place.
So now when we do it again, it'll work, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Just be careful, okay?
Yeah. Like I tell you, yesterday when we did it, it just fell out. It wasn't even like attached, you know.
Can you give me a towel, please?
Oh. Need?
Paper towel.
Yeah. Let me look at the
Yeah.
Let me toss this.
Thank you.
I think they call me, right? Or they text me or
Who?
something. To bill me.
I have to send you.
Oh, okay.
Right. Okay. So you have a coupon, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's gonna be like 156, but you have a coupon minus 50, and you pay right now just only 120.
120?
Yeah. And you just sign. Yeah.
My signature's no good.
You. Repair only.
Huh?
Yeah. And continue to pay. Okay. Thank you. Anything else? Thank you so much. You can save my number if you need any help.
Okay. 448.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
It's my number. If something, my name is Farzana.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Be careful.
Thank you.
Careful.
Bye-bye. Альхамдулиллах. Осом, вот если честно. $80 коркадом. Как хорошо, как хорошо. И ما بگفتم و چانسم کار کردم. ای میبخشین باور کنید شما که کار میکنم همش در چی میروم پلی خانه پلی ماشین پلی استراخوفکا پلی ادوکا پلی ایش وایش دیگر اشتراف مرف و میگن که تو هم خانه نخریده خالتا در میگیره